In this video, we are going to discuss which one is better, granules, wax melts, or essential oil. Let's get into the video. So the short answer is that this depends on the person and what works best for you. And it's important to remember that not all of these are created equally. For example, granules can be made with salt and essential oil, but leading brands tend to add artificial fragrances and food colouring to make them look good. The great news is that you can make your own granules, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. Wax melts are a great convenient option as they contain the right amount of essential oils, or at least they should do. This obviously depends on where you brought them from. Poor quality wax melts could be made from paraffin and could contain artificial fragrances that will pollute your air. Again, you can make your own wax melts following the advice of a qualified aromatherapist, or alternatively, you can watch our video here. So finally, we have essential oil, which is the concentrated raw scent. The pros are that it is the easiest to clean in comparison to wax melts and the granules. You can also control the scent, the amount of scent you want to use, and you can even make your own blend. The cons are that if you don't know what you're doing, it could be dangerous. Not all essential oil is created equally, and in comparison to the wax melts, it takes longer to get started because you have to dilute it with the water. Now coming up next, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own granules. So stay tuned for that, but first like this video and comment down below what question you have about oil burners, and maybe we will include it in the next video. So to make your own essential oil granules, you will need 100 grams of Himalayan salt, about 5 drops of your chosen essential oil. To begin, you will need a pot that you can mix the essential oil and salt in. Once mixed, let it dry out for 1 day, and then you can place it in a bag to use later, or you can use it straight away. The granules can also be placed in a cotton pouch and can be put in your drawers or your wardrobe to keep your clothes smelling fresh. Anyway, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, you will really like this video on screen now, as we discover what the best essential oil is for your oil burner, and we also cover some essential oil blends. See you there.